All right, so welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft's been breaking out quite a bit lately and continues to power higher. And one of the reasons here as we take a look at it is it's been breaking out on the weekly chart. So as we get into further higher prices, what you're starting to see is the longer term is becoming more and more sustainable, and really there's more support that's building out. So if we look at kind of the prices here, what's going on, we've got Microsoft up $6 right now. Apple, IBM, Amazon, Google, they're all pushing quite a bit higher with the market pressing into higher prices. So if you look at the SPY right now for the daily, we're up about 2 points on the SPY, but 20 points there on the S&P 500. So when we start looking at something like this, the market's extended, it's continued to push quite a bit higher. We've got a few gaps in this area that does slightly concern me, but we had a nice solid breakout here across this resistance level. So when we start looking at something in this line and this level, the stocks are doing well and continue to press and push into higher prices. So watch the trend, watch the volume. We've had some massive run and a pretty significant buying opportunity that came in, but now I think things are slightly extended. We could get a little pullback, but I think what may actually happen is we might just get a pullback to retest some of these levels. And when we come back to retest these levels, that could be that buying opportunity. So that's where you'd want to watch to see if things can hold up and stay, because if you can hold that support level, then you could be off to the races for higher prices. Take a look at this Microsoft weekly chart. I mean, this trend has been phenomenal and really nice since even 2013. We've kind of just taken off to the races, and they've been doing some good stuff. So all the trend lines are intact and they look good. We even came back down here into this orange line for a little bit. Now that does seem a little painful when we get into the weeds of it on a shorter term basis. Like if we get into the daily basis here, this part lasted almost a full year, and that does feel painful. But overall, this stock has done quite well. So this is where we had some issues, but then now we're just rifling right back up there and breaking back out right around that 300 level. So if we look at the weekly, you can see we've got 2-3 weeks kind of in this uptrend. We've had a little bit of bars are starting to pick up slightly right here on this downside. There's one, and you can see there's a little bit more wiggle movement here. And that's where I think maybe a little pullback could happen. That's where we've had a little more press on the volume. That was also something to kind of watch. But nevertheless, we're holding up, and again today we're holding up again. So the stock looks pretty good. I mean, it's been a golden opportunity for many years, and that pullback there recently has worked out well for the stock. So, anyways, overall, stock looks good, looks healthy. I mean, you've got some solid moving averages there. You've had this descending break and in this level here that allowed the stock to take off, and now that we're above this 350 level, we are again into some nice solid support level as long as we can hold here. If we pull back, hold, and bounce, I think this thing could continue to move much further and higher. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me, all the nice comments that you guys write in, truly appreciate it. And feel free to check out our website, learn a little bit more, check out some of the freebies there as well for download, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.